Hey everyone, welcome to Day Trade with Tony. And I just want to talk about my Netflix earnings trade today. I left a lot on the table. I actually missed quite a bit of the trade just by not getting filled, not reacting quick enough with the hotkeys, and I lost probably about $15 a share from where I wanted to enter to where I actually did end up getting filled initially. So I could or should. I mean, I finished the day 7,500, but I should have been a good 15,000 plus up on that number. So 7,500 is a good. It is a good finish, a good size trade. But I should have had at least another 15,000 on top of that. So it is what it is. Unfortunately, we can't rewind time and do that. But I'm happy with the day, finishing the day with 13,000. So I'll just quickly summarize the trade for you, and then you can watch the trade in its entirety. Here you go. So quickly, I just wanted to note that I was watching a couple of different things as they broke. I was watching Netflix, I was watching Tesla, I was watching SAP on the watch list screen for which one broke first. Netflix was the first one to break, so I quickly switched across. It popped up, came all the way back down again. That was the initial liquidity grab, and as soon as it started to make up, I tried to get in. This is the pre-market range here, by the way. So I tried to get in as it broke the pre-market high again and moved into the green zone, if you will. So yesterday's closing price going red to green on the day. Missed that. Well, I got the order in, but it went without me. So I tried again a little bit higher, waiting for it to pull back. I placed the order. It went without me again. This kept doing it. As it started to pull back here, I placed the order again, and it went without me again. Then it pulled back and caught me. So I thought, okay, I'm just going to wait for this. It had already been up to the highs. I'm going to hold it till it breaks new highs. So it did pull back and broke new lows, but I was comfortable that this was more of a bull flag setup. So when it started to break out, I was okay to take some profits, then add back, take more profits, add back, etc., upwards till we got to the top. And then when it started to look a little bit extended, the candles were starting to get shorter and shorter. So then I decided, okay, new lows. I'll get out. And we looked at breaking a new low here, so that's where I got out there. And it's 7,500. But as I say, if I got in here for the break of the red green line, that would have been an extra kind of 50. Well, got it at 370 here, so another $15 on top of that per share. So another $15,000. Considering I took a $1,000 share position, fully leveraged, kind of maxed out on the leverage. Or not quite maxed out on the leverage, but pretty much fully leveraged on what I could trade. Yeah, just a good trade. So you tell me if you enjoyed the trade, and you can watch it here. Okay, enjoy. Off. That's what we do it. Yeah. Guys, 279.90. I'm looking for 380. Look at that. There's 380. Get in. That's off. That's the moving it back up.